Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable Ask to Buy in App Store. On your iPhone, please go to Settings and tap your name at the top, which is your Apple ID. Now let's select your family and tap on family member that you want to ask to buy in App Store. I will tap my child and here select option Ask to Buy. Let's press turn on Ask to Buy. Let's go here once again and please make sure that require purchase approval is on. So next time when your child tries to download an application or make an in-app purchase, request will be sent to organizer's device. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.